Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email a folder in Outlook step by step. Now, this is something many people struggle with because Outlook does not allow you to attach folders directly to an email. But don't worry, there is a simple workaround that involves compressing the folder into a zip file before sending it. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password carefully, then click Next to continue. After signing in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard, which is your main email workspace. Now, before we send anything, let's understand something important. Outlook does not support sending folders directly because emails are designed to handle files, not directory structures. That's why we need to convert the folder into a zip file first. So let's move to the next step. Go to your computer and locate the folder you want to send. This could be in your desktop, documents, or any other location. Once you find it, right-click on the folder. From the menu that appears, look for an option like Compress or Send To, then select Compressed Zipped Folder. When you click this, your system will create a new zip file. This zip file is basically a compressed version of your folder that makes it easier to send through email. Now let's go back to Outlook. Click on New Email to start composing your message. A blank email window will open where you can enter all the details. Start by typing the recipient's email address. Then add a clear subject line so the receiver knows what the email is about. Next, let's attach the zip file. At the top of the email window, click on Attach File. This will open your File Explorer. Now navigate to the zip file you just created, select it, and attach it to your email. Once attached, you'll see it appear in your message window. Take a moment here to double-check everything. Make sure the correct file is attached and the email details are accurate. You can also add a short message explaining what the folder contains. This helps the recipient understand what they are downloading. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. And that's it. Your folder has now been successfully sent via Outlook using a zip file. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Always make sure your folder is properly compressed before attaching it. And if your folder is very large, consider using cloud storage like OneDrive as an alternative. These methods will help you avoid email size limits and make file sharing much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we located the folder on our computer. Then we compressed it into a zip file. Next, we opened Outlook and created a new email. After that, we attached the zip file to the email. Finally, we sent the email to the recipient. And that's everything you need to get started.